Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be ditching my GMC OEM floor mats, my protective floor liners. Now a few months back I published a video after owning my truck for 2 years. How would I order it differently? Do I have any regrets about the build on the truck? And in that previous video I mentioned that the OEM floor liners, the floor mats here, are one option that I would have skipped if I could do it all over again. Now to be fair, there are a lot of packages where these OEM mats get bundled in, and so you may not be able to technically skip it. But if I had the option, I would skip it because I think the aftermarket has better options in terms of protective floor mats. And guys, I want to be clear, it's not that these GMC OEM floor mats are just awful. They're actually pretty decent. But there's one significant area where I think they fall short, and that is in terms of the coverage. If you look at these GMC OEM floor mats, especially along the door sills and then other areas around the perimeter, you're gonna notice a lot of exposed carpet. And so I really do think there are better aftermarket options out there. And so in today's video, I'm gonna show you the Lasfit floor liners. They're going to give much better coverage. They're gonna have the same fitment in terms of accuracy. And as a bonus, they're at a much more affordable price point. So stay tuned. Now, installing the Lasfit floor liners is incredibly simple. It's as easy as just removing your old floor mats if you have some already. In my truck, the only place the floor mats were actually secured was on the driver's side. There's circular clips, 2 of them. Other than that, they're just resting on the floor of the truck, and so you just pull them out. Now in my back seat, I do have an aftermarket storage under the bench seat there. And so I had to remove that because I opted to get the Lasfit mats that go under the storage all the way to the back for maximum coverage. And I'll talk about that more later. So that took me a little extra time to get that storage box out of there. But one tip I'll give you is when you order the mats and get them, when they arrive at your doorstep, make sure you take them out of the box as soon as possible and keep them indoors, where it's warmer, especially if it's in the winter months like it was for me. And that way the mats can acclimate to a nice room temperature, 70 degrees or so, and they will soften. And that way you won't have any awkward creases or folds, because the material, the TPE that they're made out of, it does have a little bit of a memory. And so if you leave them in the box too long, it might have some creases and take a little bit more time to get out. Now back to the install. Once I got the old OEM floor mats all removed, I brought the Lasfit liners and dropped them into the truck, and literally it's that easy. You just align them. The driver's side actually has the same circular clips, and they align perfectly. And because I let the Lasfit liners acclimate to room temperature before I installed them, even though it was a chilly day, they were nice and flexible. They laid flat. There was only a few sections that were ever so slightly curled up. And in those cases, I just took a heat gun and very gently warmed up those sections of the mats. And then of course they laid flat right away. You could probably use a hair dryer on high setting, or if it's in the summer months, just put the floor mats out in the summer for 30 minutes to an hour, and that way they'll install real nice and neatly. Okay, so now that I've got them installed, let me show you some close-up views. We'll start on the driver's side here. And I just want to point out that I have the bench seat configuration, which can be particularly challenging to find, good aftermarket mats with the hump right here. A lot of the brands will either skip the hump or they'll give you an insert, kind of a third piece that clips on. What I really like about this Lasfit is this is one continuous floor mat all the way across the hump to the passenger side. So there's no chance that a seam here or something can come undone. It's just one continuous piece. So I really like that a lot. And then check out here this additional coverage that I was talking about. So the OEM floor mats leave this sill, this trim, completely unprotected. Now, part of this, of course, is going to be under the door, and so you don't want to go all the way, especially with it being curved there. I think it would just peel up. But I like how they at least extended the mat, because look underneath here. I mean, you can just see with me going in and out of the truck several times every day for the last 2 years, that's gotten pretty scratched up. So if I had had these liners to start with from day one, all that nice, sill trim would have been much more protected. But then like I was saying before, the Lasfit liners, they're very accurate in terms of fitment. I mean, I would say as accurate, if not more accurate, than the OEM floor mats. And you can see how tight they come up against the center dash console there on the floor. And of course they go up behind the pedals and even the dead pedal right there. So really nice fitment, really good coverage. And then it's the same story here in the front on the passenger side. Again, one continuous piece all the way from the driver's side across this hump. And I mean, every contour, every curve, it just fits nice and seamlessly. You get this extra protection along the sill right here. And again, I mean, just look, every little curve and contour is precisely matched there. Now for the rear seats, for the back here, I went with the Lasfit option that is listed as without the storage. They have one with the factory carpeted storage box and one without the storage. Now I have a storage box, but this is not the OEM carpeted storage box. That box stops short right about here. So if you go with that option, then the liner will go just in front of the storage box. It'll stop right about here. Whereas in my case, since I have this larger storage box, I didn't want it stopping kind of halfway under the storage. So I went without storage, and that way the liner goes all the way to the back. And I'll give you some looks at what it looks like under the storage box. But you can see it goes all the way clear to the rear wall, basically, where it starts to curve upwards against the back. And it's got a really nice fit right there. But the good news is if you have this larger storage box, this one is from Husky, by the way, it actually is compatible with the Lasfit mats. So if you have this Husky box, I would do the option without storage, and that way it goes all the way underneath. And then the Husky box fits right on top of that. Now in the rear, you're gonna get this same extra protection along the sill, along the trim here. Basically, they extend this out a couple inches compared to the OEM floor mats. And then it's gonna run all the way up under the driver's seat. So if someone's sitting back here with boots and they're resting them under that front seat, all that's gonna be protected. And then this is one area where I think Lasfit really did a nice job giving extra coverage. The original OEM GMC mats, they left all this carpet around the console exposed. Whereas the Lasfit, they did a nice job where it trims right up to it. And so you don't see any carpet at all whatsoever. And so again, I really think one of the biggest benefits of the Lasfit floor mats is there's just extra protection, extra coverage throughout. I mean, that's really the purpose when you're buying these mats, these protective floor liners. Of course, they're going to be really easy to clean. I would say the raised sections on the Lasfit liners are slightly taller than the raised sections on the OEM floor liners. And so I think that's just gonna help with the dirt and debris. It'll, fall into the bottom section off the raised, and then all that can be easily vacuumed out. Now, a note concerning the material, these are not made of rubber. They're made out of TPE, which is thermoplastic elastomer. It's actually the same material that the OEM floor mats are made out of. And so they're gonna hold up nicely. They don't have any kind of weird odor, at least that I've noticed so far. And I think they're gonna clean up really nicely. All right, so what's the final verdict on the Lasfit floor liners? Are they perfect? Well, I'd say pretty close. I mean, the only con that I can think of is you don't get the GMC branding. And looking at this design here, there's something artistic going on there that I think we can all appreciate. But outside of that, it seems like the Lasfit liners offer a lot more pros. Speaking of pros, cost is another significant one. The Lasfit liners are going to save you on average probably about $100 compared to the OEM floor mats. Like I said before, a lot of times you're forced into getting those OEM floor mats with a package on your truck, so that may not apply. But generally speaking, with the Lasfit liners, I think you're gonna save about $100 compared to the GM OEM floor liners. So if you're interested in protecting your truck, I highly recommend checking these out. I will include an affiliate link down below along with an exclusive discount code. I appreciate you using those to help support the channel. If you have any questions about the Lasfit liners, definitely drop me a comment down below and I'd be glad to answer it. As always, thanks for watching.